Ever wondered how to factory reset your smartphone? Today, we're going to delve into this topic and unravel the mystery behind a factory reset. This procedure is like a magic wand that can transform your phone back to its original state, just like when you first took it out of the box. There are several reasons why one might want to perform a factory reset. Maybe you're planning to sell your phone and want to ensure all your personal data is wiped clean. Perhaps you're facing persistent issues with your device and have exhausted all other troubleshooting methods. Or you might just want a fresh start, a clean slate if you will, to optimize your phone's performance. However, before we dive headfirst into this process, it's crucial to remember one thing. Always back up your data. You don't want to lose those precious memories or important files, do you? Now, let's dive into the process of factory resetting a smartphone. Before anything else, always remember to back up your data. It's a vital first step in the process of factory resetting your device. Let's walk through the essentials of backing up your data. First, we have cloud services. These are digital spaces where you can store your data. It's like having a personal digital locker. Google Drive, iCloud, and Dropbox are some popular examples. These services allow you to save your documents, photos, videos, and even app data online. The beauty of this method is you can access your files from any device with an internet connection. Next, we have the option to transfer data to a computer. This method is a bit old school, but it's reliable. You can connect your device directly to your computer via USB cable and manually transfer files. This is a great option if you have large amounts of data or if you're not comfortable using cloud services. Lastly, we have dedicated backup apps. These are specialized apps designed to help you back up your data. Apps like Titanium Backup for Android or iMazing for iOS are quite popular. They allow you to back up everything from your text messages to your app data. Now, you might be wondering, why is all this necessary? Well, when you perform a factory reset, it erases all data and settings on your device. It's like a digital clean slate. While this is great for solving persistent issues or selling your device, it also means saying goodbye to any data that hasn't been backed up. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. It might take a bit of time and effort, but backing up your data ensures that your digital life remains intact, no matter what happens to your device. Select the backup method that works best for you and make it a habit to regularly back up your data. That way, you're always prepared for any device mishaps that may come your way. Once the backup is complete, you are now ready to proceed with the factory reset. If you're an Android user, here's how you can factory reset your device. The first step to initiate a factory reset on your Android device is to navigate to your settings menu. This is typically represented by a cog or gear icon, which is usually found in your app drawer or pull-down notification shade. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to scroll down and look for a section labeled System or General Management, depending on your device's specific interface. Tap on this section to open it. From here, you'll want to find an option that says Reset or Reset Options. This will lead you to another menu with various reset options. The one you're looking for is typically labeled Erase All Data, Factory Reset, or Reset to Factory Settings. This is the option that will wipe everything from your device and restore it to its original factory settings. Before you proceed, a word of caution. Performing a factory reset will erase all the data on your device. This includes your contacts, messages, photos, and apps. So make sure you've backed up everything you want to keep before you go ahead with the reset. Once you're ready, tap on the Erase All Data, Factory Reset, or Reset to Factory Settings option. You'll be asked to confirm your decision. In some cases, you might be asked to enter your device's password, PIN, or pattern for security purposes. After you've confirmed the reset and entered your security details, the reset process will begin. This process could take a few minutes to complete. During this time, your device will reboot multiple times. It's important not to interrupt this process, as doing so could result in data corruption or even render your device unusable. Once the process is complete, your device will boot up as if it was brand new, with the initial setup screen greeting you. And there you have it, a fresh start for your Android device. Your smartphone is now as good as new, ready for you to set it up again or pass it on to its next user. Remember, a factory reset can be a powerful tool when used correctly, but always ensure you've saved your data elsewhere before embarking on this journey. For those using an iPhone, the process is just as straightforward. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to unlock your iPhone and find the settings icon. It's usually a gray gear, quite easy to spot. Once you're in settings, you'll want to scroll down and tap General. This is where a lot of your phone's basic functionalities are managed. It's sort of like the control center of your device. Within General, you'll find a whole host of options, but the one you're looking for is called Reset. Tap on Reset, and you'll open up a new menu with several different reset options. What you're after is Erase all content and settings. It might sound a bit daunting, but don't worry. This is exactly what you need to do to perform a factory reset. Now, before you tap on Erase all content and settings, brace yourself. Your iPhone is going to ask you if you're sure about this. Twice. This is because a factory reset is a big deal. It's going to wipe everything from your device, and there's no going back after this. So, make sure you've saved all your important data elsewhere. After you've confirmed that you indeed want to proceed, you'll need to enter your passcode. This is just another layer of security to ensure that the reset is intentional. Once you've entered your passcode, your iPhone will start the reset process. This might take a few minutes, so sit back, maybe grab a cup of coffee, and let your iPhone do its thing. Remember, the process we've just walked through is the same regardless of the iPhone model you're using. Whether it's an iPhone 5 or the latest iPhone 13, the steps remain the same. That's the beauty of iOS, its consistency and simplicity. And just like that, your iPhone is back to its factory settings. It's as if it's brand new right out of the box. Now you can set it up again as you like or prepare it for a new owner. It's all up to you. But what if you can't access your phone's settings? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Sometimes, due to a software glitch or a forgotten passcode, you might find yourself locked out of your phone. That's when recovery mode comes to the rescue, allowing you to factory reset your phone without needing to access the settings. This method works for both Android and iOS devices. Let's start with Android. The first step is to switch off your phone. After it's completely powered down, you need to boot it into recovery mode. The combination of buttons to achieve this varies by manufacturer and model, but it typically involves holding down the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Once you're in recovery mode, you'll see a list of options. You need to navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset option. You can usually do this using the volume buttons to move up and down the list. Once you've highlighted the Factory Reset option, you can select it by pressing the power button. Before it proceeds, your phone will ask for confirmation, as this action will erase all data on your device. If you're sure you want to proceed, select Yes. Your phone will then start the reset process. For iOS devices, the steps are slightly different. First, turn off your device. Then, hold down the home button and the power button simultaneously until you see the Apple logo. Release the power button, but keep holding the home button until you see the Connect to iTunes screen. Once you're in recovery mode, you'll need to connect your device to a computer with iTunes installed. iTunes will detect a device in recovery mode and offer you the option to restore your device. Click on Restore, and iTunes will handle the rest, erasing your device and installing the latest iOS version. With these steps, you can factory reset your phone even if you can't access the settings. And there you have it, folks. We've taken a journey through the steps and precautions of factory resetting a smartphone. It's a process that demands attention and care. We began with the vital task of backing up our data, an essential step that safeguards our personal information and memories. We then dove into the specifics of resetting Android and iOS devices, each with their distinct steps and features. It's important to remember the potential risks if the process isn't followed correctly. A misstep could lead to data loss or even damage to your device. So, take your time, double-check each step, and ensure you're prepared before you begin. A factory reset can breathe new life into your device, resolving lingering issues and giving you a fresh start. But it's a powerful tool, and like all tools, it should be used wisely. Remember, a factory reset is a powerful tool, but use it wisely. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.